Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The first one is the quick one, and you can do it using the secret code, and the second is using the settings. Of course, I'll show you both. So let's begin with the secret code. Let's tap on the dialer, enter the keypad, and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as I said, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, let me leave it, and let me show you another way to check them just using the settings. So let's enter them. Here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on About Phone, and as you can see actually on the very first page in this section we've got the serial number and both IMEI numbers. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.